In 2023, the world witnessed a remarkable boom in the artificial intelligence field with groundbreaking innovations like ChatGPT. And if you don't know what ChatGPT is yet or you haven't used it, what are you waiting for? I do have an entire video where I explain what is ChatGPT and how can you start using it. But today we're gonna go more in depth into how you can use ChatGPT to grow your brand and your business on social media. Hey there, I'm Juan and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share my best tips, tricks, and learnings from my 10 years of experience as a content creator turned business owner to help you grow and monetize your social media presence easy and fast. So to put things a little bit into context, let's look at why you should be leveraging AI for your creator-preneur business. Some of the benefits of using AI for your business include saving time, and you know that time is our most valuable asset, especially as solopreneurs. If you're doing everything on your own, you're probably lacking time. So AI is like your free virtual assistant. It helps you reduce efforts as well, which means that something that might have taken you 1 hour to produce, now it's taking you 30 minutes. So you are putting less effort into tasks that can be done easily by AI. It helps you save money. Again, in the past, you might have had to invest in copywriters or content creators or people that would support you in your creator-preneur business. But now with AI, you can do many of these tasks for free. And of course, it's gonna improve your content creation. It can grab trending topics in your industry and help you create the most relevant content ideas for your audience so that you always stay at the top of their mind. With this being said, let's see in particular how you can use ChatGPT to grow your brand and your online business on social media. Number one, intelligent content planning and scheduling. ChatGPT can analyze audience insights, trends, and your engagement metrics. And with this, it can help you generate valuable suggestions, not only for topics, but for captions, hashtags, etc. It can also help you in optimizing the timing and frequency of your posting to achieve better results. Then, once you have your content created with the help of ChatGPT, you can go to scheduling tools like Metricool, schedule all your content, and then move on to your next task. I will be sharing a prompt for each of these ways in which you can use ChatGPT in the description of the video. So if you want a prompt that will help you with more intelligent content planning and scheduling, check out the description below. Moving on to point number 2, ChatGPT can help you improve your storytelling skills. And we all know that if you want to succeed on social media and on the online world, really, you need to learn how to tell compelling stories. Stories are great because they make you memorable, they are easy to consume and digest, and stories sell. If you are looking to grow your business, you need to become a better storyteller, and ChatGPT is great for this. ChatGPT, you can take a story that might not be the most interesting or engaging story and tell it to create a more compelling and engaging story, and even tell it with the purpose of selling more of your offer. That's a great thing about ChatGPT. The more information you give it, the more specific the result is going to be. Again, I'm sharing a prompt in the description of this video if you want to take your stories and improve them with the help of ChatGPT. Next way in which you can use ChatGPT to scale your brand and business on Instagram is by creating more content with the help of ChatGPT. This one is probably the most obvious and is the one that most people use. The problem here is that people are using ChatGPT the wrong way. People are giving it a very generic and basic prompt, and they're obviously getting back a very generic and basic answer. You shouldn't be using that in your content because it's gonna make you lose credibility among your audience. So by giving it the right prompt, telling it what tone of voice to use, who is this directed to, describing your audience and describing your audience interests, pain points, language, ChatGPT is gonna help you create content more efficiently. I also like telling ChatGPT what my tone of voice is, what my values are, who my audience is, and I even share links to other stuff that I've written in the past so that it can grab all this information and create better content that sounds more like me. And obviously, it's gonna help you save time because it's gonna create content for you so you can focus your efforts on other aspects of your business. All right, before continuing, I wanna tell you about something that I just created. It's a free pack with over 50 ChatGPT prompts that are gonna help you not only grow your social media presence, but also create better content faster and also grow your online business, like getting more leads from your social media account, optimizing your business strategy, etc. To get it, you just have to click on the link in the description. It's completely free. You're gonna love it. It's gonna help you save so much time, reduce efforts, reduce costs, and just boost your online presence. So go get them now and enjoy. Okay, now let's continue with the 5 ways in which you can leverage ChatGPT or AI for your content creator-preneur business. The next way in which you can leverage AI for your business is by creating and optimizing a content strategy. Creating a content strategy is not easy. It depends on what are your business goals, who your ideal audience is. There are many different factors. But with ChatGPT, especially if you've been using it over and over again with previous seedings and previous information about you, your brand, or your business, ChatGPT is gonna help you come up not only with great content ideas, which is something that a lot of people struggle with, but also with the right strategies to achieve your goals. So if you tell ChatGPT what are your business goals, who is your ideal audience, then it's gonna give you the right strategies that are currently trending or that are relevant to create better content that is gonna help you achieve these goals faster. Remember that for each concept, I'm gonna be sharing an easy prompt you can start using on ChatGPT. All the prompts are in the description. Also, I want to remind you that the first time you use ChatGPT or other AI tools, you might not get the best results. You need to keep using it over and over again, improve the prompts that you give it, and the AI tool like ChatGPT or Bard or any other will start getting to know your brand or your business better, and over time it will start delivering better and better results. All right, moving on to the last point. How can you use ChatGPT or AI to grow your online business? Well, you can use it to get more leads from your content. Let me explain. Getting leads and sales from content on social media, Instagram, etc. is probably the hardest task for most people because it requires a different strategy, it requires a different approach, and to be honest, nobody is born knowing about sales. But with ChatGPT or AI as your assistant, you can find creative, relevant, and authentic ideas that are gonna help you take your followers from just followers to actual leads or customers. Again, by providing it with the right prompts, ChatGPT is gonna provide you with the right strategies, with the right type of content that you have to create in order to turn those followers into leads and into customers. Once again, you'll find a prompt for this specific concept in the description of the video. And now it's time to wrap it up. We've learned 5 ways in which you can start using ChatGPT right now in order to grow your online presence and your business. Remember, it's gonna help you with content planning and scheduling. It's gonna help you improve your storytelling skills. It's gonna help you come up with better content ideas that are relevant, that are trending, that are gonna resonate more with your ideal audience. It's also gonna help you improve your content strategy so that you achieve your business or content goal faster. And of course, it's gonna help you turn followers into customers, which at the end of the day is what we all want as creatorpreneurs, right? Don't fall behind, start using AI today. Remember, you can grab the free pack of 50 ChatGPT prompts that I'm linking in the description to start growing your online presence and your business with ease. And with this being said, thank you so much. If you learned something new, please like and share with someone else. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I share weekly videos that are gonna help you grow your social media presence and your business with ease. See ya.